Good morning, class. Today, I'm going to run you guys through the Google Slide presentation so you have an understanding of what we're doing. Or if you are somebody that needs to do makeup work, you can watch the video and hopefully understand what needs to be turned in for points. This Google Slides presentation will be worth 50 points, and you can check out the rubric within the class curriculum. The first thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to be logged into your Gmail. Once you're logged into your Gmail, you can go up right hand corner, click, need to get into your drive, your Google Drive. Once you're in your Google Drive, you're going to scroll over to the left, click on New, and we are going to do a Google Slide presentation. So click on Google Slides. Now, only one person in your group will have to do this, and I'm going to tell you why here in a second. Your group can decide what you want your background to be. I'm just going to choose simple light, and once you do that, then you can change the layout if you would like to. The layout right now is just a title page and a subtitle. I'm going to choose layout, and I'm just going to choose blank. All right. Now, the next thing that I want you to do is rename this. You need to rename this your class day. So we're going to go Monday AM. Let's pretend like that's my class day. Then you're going to put everybody's last name. So Smoot, and in my group is Smo, and Susie Q, and Google Slide presentation. So I know exactly what day you guys, what class you're in, who's in the group, and then what the project's called. You're going to click OK. Then, before you do anything else, you're going to go up to Share, and you are going to share this with the other group members. So somebody, like I said, has already started this. You're going to share it with your other group members. The reason being, as soon as you share it with them and they are logged into their Gmail, they can go into their Google Drive and they can start working on this project. I also would like you to share it with me, ksmoot@odysseyk12.org. So share it with all your group members and share it with me. After that is done, click Done, and we are off and running. The first thing that I would like you to do is a title page. So you can go up here, the box with a T, it's a text box, and you can start a title page. So maybe you say Monday AM, and then just name the people in your group. So again, let's use full names. So Kevin Smoot, Joe Schmo, and Susie Q. Where's the Q? There we go. Q. And we can, if we would like to, we can always highlight it. And similar to when we talked about Gmail, sending our Gmail, we can change the font if we would like. We can do that right here. We can change maybe, we can change the font. We can change the font size. We can change if we want it to be in the center of the page, to the left of the page, so on and so forth. We can actually also change the background. Maybe I decided, hey, I don't want it just simple white page. I can change it to yellow. Can kind of mess around with it. I would do the basics first, and then you can go back and kind of change it up as you wish. So you've got your title page. I would like you guys to have one hobby page per person in your group. So there was 3 of us in our group, so I'm going to have one. Joe Schmo's going to have a title page or a hobby page, and Susie Q's going to have a hobby page. I'm going to change the layout to blank. I'm going to insert some images. Now I've already got my images in my Google Drive, and pictures for week 3. I've come prepared. I did a video on how you could come prepared. Hopefully you came prepared. So I'm going to put my pictures in. Hopefully. I thought I chose one. Maybe I didn't. Let's try that again. Go to Image, click on my image, select, and there it is. So you can see, like, sometimes there's some technical deals, but it doesn't last too long. I'm going to go get my second picture, put that one in there, and then my last picture. Again, remember that for this assignment you need 3 pictures. That's the requirement, 3 pictures if you want full points for this part of the presentation. And then so I've got my pictures in there. I'm going to list my hobbies, so on and so forth. I'm going to just move along just to speed this up. And so that's mine. Then you're going to have whoever's in your group, and then the last page, I want it to be an assets page, your biggest asset. So everybody's going to list their biggest asset. And again, you can just click on here and you can type, biggest asset, and then just put what they are. Now again, for benefit of speeding this along and not boring you too much, I will show you my final product. The final product will look something like this. I've got the day that we go, members of our group. I've put my pictures in, and then I took some time to make them look nice. And I gave my 3 hobbies. I love eating pizza, I love playing baseball, and I love hanging with my family. Going over to Joe Schmo, he was working on his project at the same time I was working on mine. He loves to walk his dog. He enjoys skateboarding and listening to Drake. And then good old Susie Q loves her video games. She thinks Harry Potter's pretty cool and is a fan of MMA, mixed martial arts. And then on the assets page, the biggest asset for myself, I said my PlayStation. Joe Schmo was his dog, and Susie Q, it was her purse. So again, you're just going to list your biggest asset. And so the presentation, the Google slide presentation is done. The only thing left is that, again, you guys are going to present these to the class after you make them. If there's any questions at all, make sure that you email me or see me in class. Again, this will be your face-to-face class project for week 3 freshman studies. Have a great day.